everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and start using Mendeley. Now, I'll just simply write on the search bar Mendeley and I'll search for Mendeley Desktop. Now, Mendeley has two different types of softwares. One is Mendeley Desktop and the other one is Mendeley Reference Manager. Like you can see it here. It is the latest version of Mendeley, but I like the older version more, Mendeley Desktop. So I'll click on this and I'll download the installer and save it here. Once this installer has completely downloaded, just double click on it to install it on your computer. It would ask you some basic questions. You just have to click through it and it will be installed on your computer, like the way we are doing right now. All right, once it's installed, it would just ask you to open it up. So here we go, opening the Mendeley for the first time. Now, although I already have an account, I would like to register to a new account to show you how we get through it for the first time. I'll click on. Now, I'm using another email address to show you how we register through it. It just simply asks you for the email address. It would ask you for the name. I'm typing in my name and set a password. My Windows is popping up to show me a different password that I might have here. I'm just entering my password here that I want to set, and it's giving me it has fair strength, and that's it. It would just click on register and the account is created. All right, I'll let you save it. So here we are. I have registered through it. I've registered through my account and that's it. Here we go. So I'm just clicking on the login now. I'm entering my same email address with which I registered. All right, and sign in. So once you have logged in, this is how it would look like. And this is how it would take you through some kind of, you could say, features that it has, and this is how it looks like. So when you open it up for the first time, this is how it looks like. It is blank, completely empty. And in my next video, I'll show you how we import references into our library. So goodbye for now.